Hi, welcome to the learning programming tutorial, and today in this video I will guide you how to install a server to run the PHP code on your PC. Okay, so we have a lot of the software server to install it on the Windows PC, and after that we can run it. But here in this tutorial today I will guide you how to install Appserv. It will be supporting for the Appserv, PHP and MySQL server. Okay, so here you go ahead to open browser and access to the appserv.org website, and you go to the download tab on the top here. Yeah, scroll down and you can see the latest version for now of Appserv version of Appserv software is 9.3.0. Okay, it supports for Appserv 2.4.4.1, PHP, MySQL server, PHP MyAdmin. Yeah, and it support for 64-bit only, TSL and SSL or HTTPS. Okay, you go ahead to click on the download button here. Okay, it will take some seconds to get the file from the internet. Okay, so here after the file is downloaded completely on the Windows PC, go ahead to click on the file here to install it. Okay, click on next button, and here you select the destination folder to install the Appserv server. By default it will select the Windows drive, and now here I will select another drive. Okay, next, let it by default here, keep default. And for the local server, you name it localhost. Okay, admin. So here you provide the admin administrator account. It would be at gmail.com, and the port for the HTTP should be default 80. And if you are using the 80 port for another application, so it should change it to another one. So here I will change it to the 88, and the HTTPS port default here. Okay, I will keep it by default. Click on next button. For this one, you have to enter the password for MySQL server for the root account. I will enter it here. Re-enter the password. Okay, the character set, and here we keep it by default is UTF -8. Click on install button here. Can click on this one to see the detail of installation. Okay, so here after you complete installation, keep it by default here. We click on the finish button here, and after that it will start the Appserv and MySQL server on this PC. Okay, so now here after you install the Appserv server successfully on the Windows PC, and now you go ahead to do the testing. You just go ahead to type the local host and provide the port. Okay, so here this is the default page of the Appserv server on the PC. Here we have a PHP MyAdmin database manager version 4.9.1. Okay, so here click on this one. It will direct you to the PHP MyAdmin server, and here you go ahead to provide the username and password. So username it should be root, and the password, this one is the password you have entered in the previous time. Okay, go. Good. So here this is a PHP admin page where you are able to create a MySQL server for the PHP website or some other purpose. Okay, and in this video I don't talk about how to create the PHP my admin a PHP database. So here I left it by default and we'll talk it in another video later on. Okay, the purpose of this video today, after we install the Appserv server successfully, I will go ahead to show the demonstration for you on how to run the PHP by using the Appserv server. Okay, so now we go ahead to open the Appserv server, and here we have Appserv. Here we have a folder www. Click on this one. Okay, so here I will go ahead to create a folder. I have a PHP demo. Okay, I go ahead to create a new file. I have index.php. Okay, open it in the Notepad++. Okay, so here you can enter the PHP code in this file, but here in this video today I will just enter some text for testing purpose. Okay, okay, so now here I will copy the PHP demo and come back to the browser, and I will type in browser localhost 88 PHP demo, enter. Okay, so here you can see this is a message from the index.php file. It says hello from GNVS, nice to meet you guys. Okay, good. So now here if I want to do some change, here I will enter another text here. Thank you for watching. Okay, refresh. Okay, so now here you can see this is the thank you message I have that add on into the file. Okay, I think that's all for today, and after you finish this video you know how to install a server to run the PHP on your PC. And in this video I'm going using the Appserv server. Okay, Appserv server, it will be support for Appserv, PHP and MySQL server. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye bye and see you later.